Our first Windmill. These are the cheeses that are resting. But that is the chicken mushroom sauce, unlimited booze.
Wow, that's perfect.
What is up, guys? Good morning. My name is Carson. My beautiful wife, her name is Sammy, and we are the complete couple. And today we are in Amsterdam, Netherlands. It's a beautiful day outside. Warm 80 degrees. We've got a lot to show you. We are doing a bike riding, a electronic bike riding excursion.
Cheese, windmills and clogs, and then also a scenic boat tour with wine and cheese.
We have two different excursions today, both done with Get Your Guide, so we will show you those. This morning, though, because we got to be off at 9 a.m. sharp, we did do room service. So here's the room service menu. I'll show that to you guys. You can kind of get an idea. Get off the screen. You got bread. You can do eggs, omelets, yogurts, hot beverages, cold cereals, milk. Then you can do a ham and cheddar omelet, spinach and egg omelet, cinnamon raisin toast. And I'm going to show you guys the food because we did get it. So Sammy did, what omelet is this, baby?
The spinach.
So this is the spinach omelet.
Fire, honestly. It was a little cold, but it was pretty good.
So spinach omelet. It came promptly. We did between, what, 8 and 8:30. Came at 8:35. They do send you some ketchup with that. All right, there is the bagel and toast. It's actually still kind of warm. This is my omelet right there. I did the meat omelet. And then you've got your cereal. I think that's milk, I'm guessing. Orange juice. A little bit of yogurt. And then you got some Danishes and stuff that came with it. Looks nice. So we're going to eat up real quick, have some breakfast, and then we'll see you guys off the ship. Amsterdam, Netherlands. Alrighty, we just got out. Trying to find our windmill, clogs, and cheese tour. Just says meet at pier from Get Your Guide. So found it. It's right here. You just come out and go to the right. And then this is your windmill, cheese, and clogs tour. There we go. Just had to sign a form, and they pretty much give you the bikes, and you're off. There we go. Some kind of biking tour. A lot of bikers here. Our tour guide kind of blows, I would be honest with you. He's very dry, not humorous, but maybe that's just Amsterdam, I'm not sure. But as far as the bikes are nice. I mean, I'm not really having to pedal much. Kind of just go on their own. All right, I'm gonna put you away so I can pedal. I think we're hopping on it. I think we drove to a ferry stand. We're going across this. You do take a ferry. We are biking in Amsterdam countryside. Supposedly this is 3 hours long. We have honestly been pedaling for about 20 minutes and are still on the same river. I think that's about to change. Here we go. Sorry for all the wind.
Oh, here's our first windmill.
Our first windmill and every other biking tour that's here. Here's a windmill. Made in 1792. All right, off we go. All right, so we have finally made it more towards what I would call the Amsterdam countryside, I guess. Bikes are cool. This is actually a road. Before we were on a bicycle only, this is like a road. So there are cars that are passing us, but got all the geese out there. I don't know if you can see them. Those are all birds out there in the field. Smile, babe. What do you think so far?
It's great. Love the bikes. Love the area. The tour guide is... He's not.
Tour guide
Let me
is...
put it this way. We passed another group, and the guy was like, all right, guys, you ready? All right, let's hop back on those bikes. Let's go. This guy's like, we have 3 minutes.
3 minutes and back on bike.
But it's really fun.
The countryside's beautiful.
Yeah, the bikes are really nice. The countryside's really nice. It's really fun.
Yep.
You just gotta do it.
Look at these cool houseboats. These are all on the side here. Really, really cool. I mean, look at these things. These are all houseboats right on the river. All right, so we took a turn, and now we are in like almost their town, and it's beautiful. This is like their little town area. Look at these beautiful houses. I think we're heading towards the cheese area. Oh my goodness, we're opening up to this lake right here. Look at this lake. So beautiful. Found a sheep farm. Look at this sheep here. We made it to the clogs and cheese.
Let's give him an applause.
These are the cheeses that are resting. Supposedly they have to be turned every day. It smells amazing. It's a lot of clogs.
It's not dangerous, but you have to remove your hands. You can make your own pair of clogs in 2 hours. You're gonna wear clogs, you train your body 4 times faster. And they're also sexy clogs. You got so many power tools in that man cave of yours. This is missing. This smartphone, stereo music. Your new iClock.
Dumb shop and like a gift shop. This is where you try the cheese. Can't read it, but this is where you get to try everything. A little shot of this. I don't know what that was. Not bad. So we got garden herbs. That's pretty good. Got pesto. Pesto's good. I don't really taste the pesto though. This is standard Gouda. Gouda's good. Garlic and onion. So this is smoked natural. I have smoked for sure.
Pretty cool. My favorite was the first one. I think I'm gonna get the first one.
Wow, look at this color cheese. Goat cheese. Kind of strong. They're all pretty good. I don't know if they're necessarily a bad cheese really in the whole thing. What'd you get, honey?
2 garden herbs. Those are the best, I think.
I love it. Yeah, we're gonna pay and get out here. So we're on our way back. I haven't filmed anything, but this is kind of cool. That's a Amsterdam golf course that we're passing right here. It's really cool. The grass is a different, it's like a different grass over here. We hit the cheese and clogs, and it is an hour bike ride back. So we've got about 30 minutes left to bike ride, and we'll be back and on to our next tour. All right, so we are at Het Kerbel, the Kerbel cheese fondue, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. What did you think of the bike tour?
Bike tour was really fun. Our guide wasn't the sweetest or most bubbly, but the whole thing is very fun. You are biking for a while, so it's not like an hour of bike time and you pop around for a while. What, 3 hours of it we were biking?
It was 3 hours.
Out of 4 hours, you were biking for 3. Now, the bikes are great, they're fast, they're really easy to maneuver, but your butt is gonna hurt. That's my thing. But it's really cool. You see the windmill, the cheese place was cool, the shoe place was cool, very touristy, that part, but you literally are in back country. I'm talking like little cities, homes, water,
it was beautiful.
Fields. It was really cool. I would definitely recommend it, and it wasn't too pricey.
What was that tour called, and where did we get it?
I'm gonna screenshot it and I'm gonna put it on.
There you go. Screenshot the tour. It is on Get Your Guide.
What was everyone's opinion overall of the bike tour?
Loved the bike ride. Thought it was fantastic. Loved the scenery. The bikes were perfect. Awesome. It was awesome. I loved it.
Canyon, what do you think?
Bike tour? I loved it. I thought it was really good.
There you go.
Consensus, we loved it.
And then boat.
All right, here is lunch. We've got bread with garlic butter, broccoli soup, onion soup. Got some salads. We got some main dishes, rump steak served with pepper sauce, skewers with chicken, big and juicy ribs over the oven. Here, this is your cheese fondue. You can actually do fondue here. You can do fondue with wine, a bunch of different stuff. So that's all your menus here. Desserts, see if there's anything else. This is your breakfast. They do breakfast. Yeah, that's your pancake options.
I think they're like real pancakes.
Omelet options, breakfast.
They have cheese fondue, did you see that?
Sandwiches I did. So we're gonna get some food and we'll go from there. All right, we're in a big time rush. So this is gonna be quick, but that is the chicken mushroom sauce. It looks beautiful.
Tomato,
That's a pesto
pasta.
tomato pasta. What do you think of yours?
It's really good. It's not like I'm gonna remember it realistically when I go home, but it's flavorful, fresh, and a lot of good veggies.
There you
More
go.
of a tomato sauce. I wouldn't really call it a pesto.
All right, cool. We're gonna eat up. We'll see you guys on this. We have a secondary tour. It's gonna be a trip down the river.
We would show you more when we got out.
Yep, so we'll see that when we go. Here's the bill real quick, just so you guys see it. We are rushing out of here, but for everybody with all our meals, $220.
Get the chicken. It's so good.
Chicken was amazing. That
Literally
was a
the
10.
best chicken I may have ever had in my life.
Yep, that was a 10. There you go. Alrighty, we made it. The Old Queen. We cut that one close.
I would like to let everyone know that there was about 20 of these tours in about 2-block radius.
Yes.
So
I
make
would
sure
agree.
you have the right tour because we went to like 3.
Sweet.
All
Made
right,
it.
so here we go. Classic boat tour with cheese and wine. Get your guys. That was a close one.
Unlimited booze.
There's either Heineken, Rosé, Chardonnay, Sauvignon Blanc, or Merlot, and you also get cheese. I thought it was going to be a lot colder of a day, so I am quite literally dripping in sweat, but it's really cute. So, and the staff has been really fun.
I agree.
This is also the reason why the buildings are leaning a little to the front. It is not a construction mistake, it is actually done on purpose. Leaning to the front is done on purpose because imagine trying to hoist your spices up with a straight building, they would simply bump against the wall.
All the buildings over there are sideways, and it's really cool.
But the thing is, what happens if wood touches water? Nothing. As long as the wood stays underwater, it's all safe.
Walk back this way.
7 bridges in a row.
That's cool.
Alright, so we've had some
never
wine,
guessed that.
Carson had beer, the people on here are great, the captain's told us a bunch of information, he's super sweet, and just overall a great time. Wish we were on here for longer, but we're starting to head in. Great time. Definitely recommend. Okay, so cruise review. I would do it 17 times over again. Best people on that boat I can't even describe to you. Super cute, tons of fun, tons of alcohol, tons of cheese. Everyone was sweet as could be, ton of information, super fun. I could have sat there for what, 2 more hours?
Yeah, for a while longer.
I might recommend that even more than my bike. I don't know.
Yep.
2 very different experiences. It was such a blast. 10 out of 10 would recommend. We paid for 2 people. Now you can do the wine and cheese option or no wine and cheese option. You can still take the same, but we did the wine and cheese option. It was $73.18 for a party of 2.
There you go. So 35 a
35
person.
bucks a person.
She'll populate it here.
Yeah, great. What did you guys all think?
I loved
I
it.
thought it was fantastic.
Loved it.
The ride was good.
Yeah.
Wine and beer was good, and the guys were real good.
Yeah, I agree. I think they were attentive.
They were the
Yeah.
captain, everybody.
They all did really good.
right.
That's half the
Totally
fun.
loved it.
Well,
Yeah.
we got to be back on the boat in about an hour, so we're heading back.
An hour.
All right, guys, just like that, we are showered and changed. We got a lot of sun on that tour, so if you decide you're going to go on it, I'd recommend wearing some sunblock. We did not.
We're Floridians.
Yeah.
I go to Disney all the time in the middle of the summer, and I got fried.
We got fried, so I'd recommend wearing some sunblock. We're going to head to dinner. We've got a specialty restaurant for you tonight, Scarpetta.
Onda by Scarpetta.
Sorry, Onda by Scarpetta. My phone is going off, so that's ringing. But we're going to head down. Our reservation was at 5:45, and then we were going to watch the boat leave because you go through some locks here, which is kind of cool. So we're going to head on down, and we'll see you down there. All right, so we are going to Andre by Scarpetta. Absolutely beautiful restaurant. We're gonna walk on in here. We already got sat. I'm late, and let's find our table. Beautiful table here in the back. So, alrighty, cool. We'll see the menu. See you there. Alrighty, so here is Andra by Scarpetta's menu. See if I can open this up. We've got your cocktails up front. Not gonna bump into those, but we got pizza. You got a margarita, a calzone you can do, antipastas, a yellowfin crudo, burrata, creamy polenta, beef carpaccio. Sounds good. We got some pastas. We got spaghetti. We got scagliatini, I don't know what that is. Pappardelle bolognese, looks good with beef. You got a secondary salmon, beef fillet, veal, roasted chicken, and then your sides, it looks like fingerling potato, wilted spinach, carrots, and some other stuff. So how does this menu work?
So how it works, if you do the dining package, you get 2 of these. So you can get a pizza and an antipasta. You can get 2 antipastas. You can get 2 pizzas. You can get 2 on this page.
All right.
Or the cocktails. You can get 1 from here up. So you can either get a pasta or a salmon,
Okay.
1 of that, and then you can get 2 up to 2 sides. That's obviously the maximum. You don't need to do that. You don't pre-buy
Okay.
that, but that is what your dining package does include.
All right, well, we're gonna order up and we'll see how it goes. Stromboli, regular, and
And
then
focaccia, and then you have a cheese and olive oil and a eggplant kind of puree.
there you go. That's the breads, and then we're gonna order. Cody, what do you think of the bread?
Super warm, super fresh. Looks amazing. I'm excited.
It does look amazing.
It's like
Oh my god. Oh my god, it's amazing.
It looks amazing.
We had the little Stromboli,
The Stromboli
ones,
was
which are
amazing.
these. Oh my god, so good.
Everything's really good.
So far the bread has been...
So far we had bread.
Might be the best bread I've ever had.
I'm not kidding, that Stromboli
There you go.
is fantastic.
A hamacha crudo.
Mushroom is goes to polenta and mix, and the one
Polenta with mushrooms.
Wow. You're supposed to mix it yourself.
The burrata, not a 10 out of 10, but it's not bad. It's pretty good.
I don't know if I would call that polenta. It is polenta, I'm sure. A lot of polentas have a little bit of green. It just tastes like mashed potatoes and mushrooms, right?
Good enough.
But it's good.
This is the hamacha crudo, and I think it's yellow.
No, I think yellowtail. North Carson sunburn.
This is incredible.
Is that really good?
It's amazing.
Alright, so that is definitely a hit. And look how big this pizza is. I mean, that's a full pizza. Maybe like a
That's a
small
beautiful
medium.
pizza. Oh my
pizza.
god.
Yeah, bigger than you think though. Alright, so crudo's a hit. This is good, but it's not the vibe. And that is, we'll see if it's actually good. And the burrata is just a good burrata.
Cheese test.
What's good?
1 bite.
Know the rules.
You know the rules.
1 bite, everybody knows the rules.
1 bite. No, very good. It's a nice thin pizza.
Holds its shape.
Nice
Cooked
undercarriage.
good.
Yep, cooked perfect.
Really good. 7.4.
Wow, 7.4.
I'd give it like an 8-4.
Dago's 8.4.
It's a vinaigrette salad with vegetables. I didn't change it because I thought, hey, you know, but I tried. Wow, the lettuce is really soft.
Wow, I'll be honest, it looks stunning. It looks kind of like a Olive Garden salad.
It does. It has a, yeah. Maybe it's the carrot.
Oh wow, it's shaped.
Maybe the lettuce something.
It's very fresh,
It needs salt, pepper.
but it aggressively needs salt and pepper.
I agree.
But it's very fresh.
Calzone. Oh my god, it looks amazing. Scalding hot. We'll come back and give it a try.
I hammered it. Fantastic.
There you go. So far, pretty good hit, guys. So really quick, which is genuine question if anyone knows. Sorry, it's loud in the background. Everyone's talking, but it's 7 o'clock and we couldn't sit. We called earlier this morning to change our time. We could either switch it to 5:45, which obviously we did that, or we could sit at 9. My question is to you guys, if genuinely, if anyone knows, it's empty. There's 3 tables in the whole place and it's 7 o'clock. There's no line. There's no one outside. Why? Is it a staff problem? Is it a kitchen problem? What? Why don't they let you sit? There's not a soul here. So my question is why, guys? Why? I genuinely want to look how cool the bolognese comes in this like little thing, which is cool. And look how pretty the steak is.
I like the presentation.
Thank you. Super pretty. Wow.
Is it rare? That's a good rare.
Wow, that's perfect. Holy cow.
Tell you what, I ordered rare. It's a beautiful rare.
That is a rare. That is a perfect cook the way they wanted it. I'll put it that way.
Honestly, really, really good. Really, really good.
It's a
Wow.
great cut.
Yeah?
I put it
Alright.
up there with like
It's really good.
what I just had on Virgin.
Very good steak.
Really
Look
good
at that.
steak.
Alright, we'll come back for the pasta reviews. Yeah, it's not going to be a pretty bite, so I'll probably cut this out. Not the best I've had. Probably a little better than the main dining room.
Miss, really
But
good.
overall, very good. Good noodle, a little al dente.
I wouldn't have gotten that, so there you go.
What do you think, Daniel?
It's actually really
Yeah,
good.
it's better
I had
steak
the main
than that.
dining room last night. Main dining's like a 5. I feel like a solid 8. This is in like a whole different category compared to the Daddy.
Yeah.
Oh, this is just plain spaghetti. You know, hard to mess up.
Did they mess it up? They did. We'll see you outside. Alrighty, so we did finish off actually with dessert. That's the cheesecake.
Something really weird. I don't know.
I don't know what
And
that is.
then
That's the
tiramisu.
I don't know what that is.
It's like some cookie caramel
Alright, we try.
ice cream that I do not like. It's just not for me. Wow.
This looks beautiful.
That right there.
So far, I've been impressed with all the food here.
Now that is good. Overall, all the food has been really good. The steaks, each one was cooked perfectly. The seasoning was really good. The texture was really good. My pasta grew on me as I ate it. Really good. The boys loved theirs. The appetizers were great. The bread was great. One of the best Norwegian overall restaurants I've ever been to.
I agree. And we're gonna go show you guys the lock. That's next. See you outside.
We are entering the lock, so hopefully when we get in the lock I can show you a little bit better, but again, don't want to get in anyone's way, so, but here we go.
I don't want to drop our camera over the edge, but we're unsure how this works.
There was a very large
Large noise.
about 20 minutes ago, and nothing's happened then.
That's what's going on so far, so we'll bring it back if anything starts happening. Okay, we officially determined we are going up. It is really slow, but we are going up, slowly but surely. Here we go. It's opening. We met the water line. There it goes. There it was. All right, there's the lock complete.
Alrighty, so dinner was fantastic. We loved it, actually. Really, really good. Totally shocked about how good it was. Everything was fantastic. We headed to the magic show, which is actually pretty good. It was just like an old magician from Vegas, and it was all sleight of hand.
Sorry to interrupt you. He said he did 10,500 shows at the MGM Grand.
And honestly, he gave me just like Vegas sleight of hand vibes, but just older. It was a little like slower talking, but a sleight of hand, it tricked me, and we've seen a lot of magic.
He was incredible.
Yeah, Al really liked him, Carson really liked him. He was actually a pretty good show. So tonight's dinner and shows have been pretty good. We went to the casino for a little bit, and now we're gonna go see if the 80s party is as cool as the 70s party was last night. So let's go check it out.
Let's do it.
Alright, so it's still really fun. Definitely not the 70s party. The 70s party was literally insane. You have your dancers coming out, which are fun, and they're trying to get the party riled, but it's definitely not like last night with like the smoke and the stage effects and the stages, but it's still really cute.
Come on, everyone, to the beat. Let me hear you, Prima.
Alright guys, and as you can see I got sunburned like crazy. That will be the end of the night for us. Stick around for tomorrow. We got a sea day. We're going to show you a ton of stuff, and then after that I think we're heading to Iceland, so stick around. We'll see you next time. Real quick guys, here's the poll of the day. Where were you from? Florida? Georgia, US? I'm not sure. Texas, a lot of places. Sarasota, close to home. Alright guys, that's it. See you tomorrow.